Hi guys, today we're here in Bloxburg and I'm going to give you a house tour. So, I'm just going to be sitting here chillaxing and watching TV or reading the books. So right now I'm reading the books and you guys might want to see my secret hideout. And yeah, I'm energized. Now I'm very hungry, so I'm going to come over here, take some ingredients, and geez, my book is still there. What should I make? I am going to be making, what about cookies? I'm going to be making cookies, pour them in, mix, pour them. It glitched. Oh, they're so cute. They're so tiny. Oh, I always need to change my counter, but later. I'm always thinking of a nice new counter. Because I want to look through this thing when the cookies bake. But there's nothing for me to look in. Like, look at the chats right now. They're so active. Hey, Mom. I think they found. Oh, okay. It just magically turned big. No. Now let me eat. Let's place it in the middle. Oh, that's better. Now I'm going to come in over here and play or watch you blocks. You know what? I want to play. Bloxburg. Hunger up. I mean, well, my fun card, so we can finally go work. I've been spending a lot of money either. Okay, so you guys can't really gonna hear me when I talk when it's loud.